Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. On the Create mod, I'm going to show you how to use the Mechanical Crafter. Some of you may not even be using it right, and I need to fix that. To power it, you're going to need a cogwheel and a power source. I'm going to be crafting stairs. So a stair, for example, normal wooden stairs out of oak planks. So the first rule is always make sure that the mechanical crafters are pointing to one another. If they're not, you're definitely doing it wrong. Step number 2 is to get a mechanical crafter and motor. And then, rule number 2, never add mechanical crafters that you don't need. Otherwise, if I try and craft stairs, it's not going to work because there's extra mechanical crafters. And then once that does it, it'll craft your stairs. It'll craft your stairs on how fast, depending on like what speed this is going. Like if this is going speed 4, then it's just gonna craft really slow, like
3 weeks later. 6.5 hours later.
that's how slow it took to craft. Literally. So you definitely want to speed faster. So it takes just this long to craft. But that's how to make the mechanical crafter. Make sure to like and subscribe and have a great day.